let's put some data in by using Facker to our newly created table posts, and we can do it by in our uh, root, and we can easily define. So root model binding is the concept that we may use, and the factory Facker also we can use seed to seed data. So you see in our mm, uh, database and migrations and seed. So here we can also use a seeder to create some fake data, or we can use factories. So we can use factory to create fake data. So we will use in our root and come to web.php, and here is our suppose uncomment it, and because we will use in our root uh, root, let's name it URI seed, and in a closure functions not return or view. In the closure function we can give our app and the model that we have created post. So under app we have a model post, and we will inject our model. We have injected our model and name it a variable post. So you can also include in by using use app and the model name post in your route file. So this is the absolute path that I have given and call it. So okay, and get the Facker factory. So Facker factory, and the factory method is create to access it and keep it in a variable f for Facker, and we will iterate use for each, and will give the range 1 to suppose 30 records. So range is 30 record as x, and so for the range is so 1 to 30 fields that we will inject by using Facker. And now we can get our post model post, and the method which is the model is we are using helper method of the model. So create, and it will create our seeds and create in that array. So post create and give the field name which is title, and we need title get your Facker and use sentence and how many words that the sentence you are required. So 10 words, and the one is body, Facker f, and sentence, and the body sentence will be you may use 10 or 30 20. Okay, fair enough. So we are injecting our model into a root, and we are using factory Facker to create our seed of fake data to database. So we are iterating for each range, giving a range how many records we are required. So 1 to 30 as X, and we are calling our model post very method create. So assigning the fields in a setting in array title figure sentence required only 10 words of sentence and body required 20 words of sentence. And here it is we set our URI. So let's come to a browser and make sure that your server is running, and localhost colon 8000, and our root is URI is seed. So before, let me check our post table refreshes, so there is no data. And okay, hit enter, and something wrong, string data right, truncate data too long for column body. Let's check, refresh. So 4 fields are created, but it's through an exception, query exception. Hmm, so delete the records and come to a range, sentence range. I think maybe getting problem. Sentence body title. Okay, refresh again and send the data. So this time it is okay, and come to your database, refresh. So boom, uh, 30 records or 30 record, because it is iterating. We have deleted 4 column back, and it create title bodies and created dated. So we can use Facker command. In the next video, we will see how we can get and fetch in the helper method that we can use on model and grouping, limiting, and get all first. And these are the some methods that we will apply on.